Welcome to our comparison of two popular hair clippers, the Remington Shortcut Pro and the GLAKER Hair Clippers. In this video, we will delve into their features, pricing, and performance to help you make an informed choice. Whether you're looking for a quick trim or a professional-grade haircut, we've got you covered. The Remington Shortcut Pro is priced at $59, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for a reliable hair clipper. In contrast, the GLAKER hair clippers are priced at $79, reflecting their professional-grade features and accessories. While the Remington offers great value, the GLAKER provides additional functionality that may justify the higher price for some users. When it comes to battery life, the Remington Shortcut Pro offers a runtime of 40 minutes with a quick 5-minute charge feature. However, the GLAKER hair clippers excel in this category, boasting up to 150 minutes of runtime, which is ideal for longer grooming sessions or multiple users. This significant difference in battery performance can be a deciding factor for many buyers. Both clippers come with multiple length combs, but the GLAKER hair clippers include 15 guide combs compared to the 9 offered by the Remington. Additionally, the GLAKER set features a barber cape and a storage bag, providing a more comprehensive grooming kit. This variety of accessories makes the GLAKER a more versatile option for professional use. In conclusion, both the Remington Shortcut Pro and GLAKER hair clippers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Remington is a great choice for those on a budget looking for a lightweight and portable option, while the GLAKER is ideal for users seeking a professional-grade clipper with extended battery life and more accessories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.